Alright guys, we are at the Somoa House at the Polynesian Village and Resort. I am going to give you a tour of our room 3612. Alright, so when you first walk in here, we have two nice closets. This first closet we used for Phil, just for his shoes. And then you come over here and there is a little small kitchenette type area, coffee, water, ice bucket, and then you also have more coffee essentials over here on the right, and then a refrigerator, which we have some milk and cupcakes on the left hand side here, and another nice big closet. In this one we had the additional pillows, but I moved them to the other closet, and I'm keeping my purses up here. Then we also have an ironing board in here, and the iron is over here on the left hand side. And there is also the luggage holder, which we used for unpacking. I stored an extra duffel that we brought for souvenirs and such, and then put all my shoes below where the safe is. And I have a couple things hanging here, jackets and such. We also got this awesome lei when we checked in. And I have my Lily Pulitzer organizer. I keep makeup in the bottom tier and hair and other bathroom essentials in the top tier. And then something new I got for this trip was this jewelry organizer, and you can kind of see my belt is hanging on there. But I put my pins all on one side. We have a couple buttons over there too. And then on the other side, I have all the earrings for our trip. So this is all nicely nestled in this closet up front here. Then we walk into the main room. Here is an overview. And right here there's a space for connecting rooms, so if you know someone next door, you can open that up. We stored some luggage over here and a trash can. Then next to this area, there is a nice big mirror, a light, and a desk. And what's nice, you know, we got the chair here, and you can actually pull this desk out on wheels, and it has a cute little turtle. And you could probably move this desk all over the room. The room is very spacious. On the desk, cute little tiki light, and I have my vanity mirror, and lots of plug space and USB ports down here. And like I said, a nice big mirror up here. Then we move over and we have a very nice flat screen TV with a dresser. So clothes, undergarments in here. We do have one drawer that we're using for like some souvenirs. There's also, they have all the literature for the room. I just kind of stuffed it all in this drawer here to get it out of the way. And up here on the little shelf, we have some essentials that we've been grabbing every day and some snacks. I also am charging over here. Luckily this trip, the only thing I've been charging is my camera, because we got the new iPhone Pro Max and the battery life is just incredible on it. So haven't had to use any of my battery chargers. And then we got a little shelf up here. And we're moving over. This is a couch that turns into a bed. So if you have other guests, you can utilize this. Obviously we don't need that. And above, it's got a nice big mirror. Then we move over a little bit more and we have a door here to our balcony. Now there are 2 locks, one up top and then one near the handle. Phil saw me struggle with this. But our room has this beautiful, nice big balcony. It comes with 2 chairs and a table. And as you can see by looking over at the other balconies, you do get a patio on the 1st floor and a balcony if you're on the 3rd floor, but the 2nd floor doesn't get anything. So I would recommend requesting the 1st or 3rd floor. And then you have this beautiful view. We are in Samoa. And the pool area is right out our window. It's not too loud though. This is the quieter pool and it's been great the couple days we've been staying here. We have this lounger chair with a footstool, reading light, and little side table. And then our super comfortable bed. Each side has 2 nightstands for each person. And Phil's, he's been keeping his magic bands and electronic stuff. I've been keeping my ears and my magic bands in there. And they also have storage down below if you need it. We have not been using that, but could be very helpful for you. And then over here, we have our luggage that I always turn into laundry. So we're using this luggage case for that. And then that other one's empty, which we can help to pack things up when we leave the Polynesian. And I always like to keep bags. And now they have the reusable bags. So I've been storing those over here. Lifting up here, some beautiful artwork on the wall. I just love all the Polynesian pieces. This one totally makes me think of Moana, even though she's not technically on this picture. It just has all the Moana vibes. And it even has a little hidden Mickey on it. John in the sand. And then right next to the art piece is your temperature control. So we've been keeping it nice and cool here because even in October, it is a little bit toasty. So then moving into the bathroom, we have beautiful his and her vanity sinks, mirrors with lights installed. And I will say, one thing I think that's missing from this room is a full-length mirror. But these mirrors are pretty long, so you kind of get the full picture in these. And they do jut out, which I was a little concerned about. You can kind of see it sort of has like a layered component, you know, to install the light piece. But when taking a shower the other day, I realized that these ones with the lights, probably heat from the light or electricity, defog really quickly. So that was nice to kind of get out of the shower and pretty much right away without having to wipe down, it defogged. Always giving us lots of towels. And of course, another vanity magnifier mirror. I kept my strainer curling iron over here. Nice about the Poly is they still have all of the, you know, essential items here, and you can take those after you leave. And even more vanity space over here that's not in front of sinks. So we've kind of been storing everything over here. I guess one thing I miss about the Port Orleans Riverside is they have that nice shelf there, but this is a good area to keep all of that stuff. And then lots of space underneath here for tossing your towels, dirty laundry, whatever. And then love the turtle wallpaper they got over here. Turtles are my favorite, so this made me so happy. Giving us lots of towels. Your standard toilet is down below. And shower. Nice shower head here. Lots of space in here as well. And 2 shelves. So if you're more than 2, this is a king room, so maybe they have more shelves than the doubles. But just enough shelf space. Well, for me, Phil doesn't need a lot. Well, that is it for a Polynesian room tour in the Somoa House. I love it. The room is great. We are just steps away from the ceremonial house. So I couldn't recommend this resort more. We're in love. We don't want to stay anywhere else.